Here is a quick review of the four types of commands that we have discussed. The affirmative to, you use the LAO instead form of the verb. So for a verb like repetir, repite, this is a stem changer, so the E goes to an I. The to negative is going to be the basis of all of our other commands. We take the yo form, we drop the o, and we give it the opposite ending. The yo form of repetir is repito. We take off our o, and we give it the opposite ending. That means the AR takes an ES. ERIR takes an AS. So it's no repitas. These are the only two types where the affirmative and negative are not the same. In usted and ustedes commands, the negative and the affirmative commands are the same. The only difference is that there is a no in the negative commands. Usted affirmative or negative. If you want it negative, just add the word no. You take the yo form, you drop the o, and you give it the opposite usted ending. That means the AR commands take an E, ERIR take an A. Ustedes will be the same as usted. Take the yo form of the verb, drop the o, and give it the opposite ustedes ending. So that means the AR takes an EN and ERAR takes an AN. There are a couple of irregulars in the affirmative to. You have those in your notes. The irregular in the negative to, usted and ustedes will all be the same. So, there are 6 of them, and I use the word dishes. It's dar, ir, ser, haber, which we don't use very much in the command form, but we'll use it in another tense that's related, estar, and saber. The negative to will have the no for all of them, and then it's going to be like this: dars no des, irs no vayas, sers no seas, haber no hayas, estar no estés, and saber no sepas. The usted and ustedes are going to be based on that. So usted of dar would be de, ustedes den, ir, vaya, and vayan, ser is say, sea, and sean, haber is hayas, or haya for usted, and hayan for ustedes. Estar is esté and estén, and saber is sepa and sepan. Remember that there are a couple of verbs that will have irregular yo forms or stem changes, so their usted and ustedes commands are going to be a little different than just your standards. I'll go through a few of those. For example, poner. The affirmative to is pon. The yo form is pongo. So our negative to is no pongas. Usted is ponga. And ustedes is pongan. For a verb like empezar, the to affirmative is empieza, because it's the LA usted. To negative is going to be no empieces. Remember, ZAR changes to a CE. And then we have empiece, empiecen. Hopefully that helps and it will get you caught up.